Hi guys, welcome back on this gorgeous sunny Sunday afternoon here in the UK. I hope you've all been watching the Erzberg Red Bull Hare Scramble. What a fantastic race that was. Manny getting the win over Billy. You know, just pipped him there at Motorex Highway, didn't he? But a good race, good watching it on the TV. Top 5 was Manny, Billy, then it was Tristan Hart, then it was Johnny Walker, and then Wade Young. Those are your top 5 from the Erzberg Rodeo. But back to back home now. We're back on the GPX TSE 250, just part 3 now of the 185-hour review, where we've done a top end rebuild, also done the clutch, and man, things are a lot better now. Obviously we've got the increase in compression on the engine for one from the top end rebuild. Let's have a look at the bike. So yeah, we did the top end. We've put a higher compression head on, so the head's only been skimmed a little bit, and we've also got a thinner base gasket as well, and it feels better. It just feels better, you know, more pull. I'd say the mid-range is pretty good now. Well, it's better than before, you know, better than new. I think the mid-range is really. We're quite happy with its performance. You know, we're talking about a big bore kit, and in all honesty, I don't think I really need a big bore kit on this bike for what it does. Yeah, it'd be nice to have it on, but in reality, do I really need it? Probably not, for what the bike does, and it's got enough power, you know, for what it's being used for. This is the second time I've been out on it, actually. I was out on it yesterday. I didn't have the GoPros with me yesterday, so I just took it out for a quick spin, and as you can see, I've got one GoPro on the back strapped on, stuck on, but some safety cable ties on, and I've got obviously one on my helmet. But let's have a walk around. So top end rebuild, new clutch in, goes through the gears a lot better now with the new clutch, and obviously we're not getting any slipping either, and the bike picks up really well. What else have we done with it? Oh, we've got new graphics on. Now we've got the 3M graphics. Got these off James at GPX Motor UK. £35 for the whole set of graphics for the bike, and they stick really well, does these 3M ones. Really worth getting. Definitely worth, a lot better than the OEM ones. A hell of a lot better, because you know the OEM GPX graphics were like, they just started peeling off and they weren't great, but these 3M ones are very good. And for 35 quid, it's unheard of, ain't it? A full set of graphics for 35 quid. Come on, guys. Got to be had. What else? Exhaust. We've got a new exhaust on. Brand new expansion pipe on the front, and we've got a longer tail can. Now, this is a tail can for TSE 300, and to make that work, all we've had to do is, if you've got one of these bikes, you will know that the expansion pipe is quite long, and it comes right up to here, does the expansion pipe, with the shorter can on. And with this pipe, it's got a long inlet there to it, so all we have to do is trim off part of the expansion pipe, and it fits straight on. Quite a simple fit. Just conscious we've got like a whirlybird flying above me. You can see that. One of those James Bond things. Little Nelly. Making a lot of noise. More noise up my bike. So let's wait till that bugger's off. I think he's circling us, to be honest. Right, the helicopter's gone now, finally. So, top end, clutch, new exhaust, new graphics on, and gearing, we're running 1252 gearing. I think that's my preferred gearing all round, having had this bike for a while now and sort of tested a few different setups. I think the 1252 just about does everything for me. If I was doing more road riding with it, which I'm not going to be honest on, to be honest, I would probably go an extra tooth on the front, do a 1352. But 1252 for me does just about everything. And the lanes where I am locally, there's not a lot of road work between them, so I'm quite happy to leave it as it is. So there you go, GPX TSE 250. looking forward to another 185 hours on it. Yeah. Oh, smart carb, the XTNG touch and go carb's doing okay as well. No problems with that. So yeah, good stuff. So that's it from me at the moment, guys. Back with something else soon. Something quite interesting actually, so just stay tuned. Hard Enduro Mixed Media at Eurotech and on Robbo's GPX Dirt Bike page. See you soon, guys.